So basically SQLite has to be downloaded to your machine here, and we have it already. I've installed it in my, that's the folder name. So we're going to go over here to that folder .db. It will create that particular database. Now if you see here, we have created the Python. So this way you create one DB. The earlier one seems to be kind of some invalid one. So we have created a new one called as python.db. Okay. So now any table, anything that you create will be using this one. So the next one, what we are going to do is we are going to go to Python and start working on that. Okay. So we are going to see how to. First, we are going to import a module called as SQLite 3. Now, one thing, this is already ported with Python. You don't have to go and install of this. All right. Now, the next thing. And we're going to use SQLite to connect. And once we are connected, we got to create the table. Okay, so an object to continue with writing the query here. So the way to write the query is, it's a create table account